Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Real Reviews, where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Daybed. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go and actually check it out. Putting it together was pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. It's mostly getting the frame lined up, attach the arms and back, and making sure the drawers slide in clean. Once it's tightened down, it feels more like an actual piece of furniture than just a basic bed frame. The big thing with the Daybed, it's not just a bed frame, it's more like a sofa or a guest bed and storage piece all in one. So if you're working with a smaller room, guest room, apartment, or even an office space, that's where something like this makes sense. The two drawers underneath are probably one of the most useful parts. You can use them for extra blankets, sheets, pillows, clothes, or any random stuff you don't want sitting out. Alright, this is what it looks like once you have it fully assembled. Super cool. It's got the drawers down here. Think with this one. It's got the wheels on it. Very, very cool. Nice fabric on here. Alright, we got it all set up, ready to go. Very cool Daybed. So we put some clothes right in here. Put some shoes in this one. All right, I just wanted you to see the design back here. Very nice. Same thing here. Nice wood. See, it's got the wheels down there. So it rolls out nice and easy. Still overall not bad quality. Put this anywhere, dress it however you like, would look good. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new Daybed, definitely consider. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.